Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Manzur Ahmad Ganai, lecturer history by Higher Secondary School Tral. Today our topic for 12th class students of our institution is what is family? What were the various types of family in ancient India? Dear students, this question has two parts. One part is what is family, or we have to define family in part first, and second part we have to discuss various types of family that existed in ancient India. Dear students, let's define family. Generally speaking, family can be defined as a group of persons living together on the basis of marriage and blood relations. Let's try to understand this definition. Dear students, in a family, first of all, there are two persons, means a male and female, and this male and female become husband and wife after entering into marriage. So, the first two members of a family come into existence because of marriage. And after marriage, this husband and wife gives birth to their children, sons and daughters. And as the sons and daughters are of the same parent, same husband and wife, so therefore a blood relation gets created between sons and daughters as well. So the family got created on the basis of marriage and blood relations. And after some time, the sons and daughters become young, and after becoming young, they are married, and after marriage, they have their own sons and daughters. And the first the husband and wife, who are the first members of the family, become grandmother and grandfather, and similarly the family continues and continues on. The members of family went on increasing. Now, and in the family as well, we see the smaller children are brought up by everyone together, looked after by everyone together, and everyone takes care of one another. This is how we can define a family, especially in ancient times. Now there are various types of family there were various types of family in ancient times. Let us define them one by one. Number one, joint family. Joint family was basically a larger family which had a number of family members. In this kind of family, there is to be a husband, wife, children, uncles, aunts, grandmothers, grandfathers, nephew, niece, or we can say cousins, etc. So this family used to be a very large family and was called a joint family. Number two, a nuclear family. This was the type of family in ancient times where only husband, wife, and their children lived together. So it was a very small kind of family. Number three, patrilineal family. We have discussed about this family type earlier as well. This was a type of family in ancient times where origin of a person was traced by the name of his father, from the name of his father. And in this type of family, the sons had a right over the property of the father, and daughters had no right over the father's property. And with the son's name, with the son's name, the name of father was written, not the name of mother was written. So a son in this family was known by the name of his father, not mother. This is what we mean by patrilineal family. Number four is matrilineal family. In matrilineal family, there used to be the origin of a person was traced from the mother side, by the mother side, and with the name of son or daughter, the name of mother was written, not the name of father was written. And in this type of family, both sons and daughters had rights over the property. So this is matrilineal family. Number five is neolocal family. In neolocal family in ancient times, husband and wife, after getting married, used to leave the home of their parents. What they used to do, and after marriage, they used to leave the home of their parents and start living in a new house of their own. This is number five. Number six, rural family. As the name suggests, a rural family was a type of family which used to be in the villages and remote areas. And in such families, there were traditional areas, and these used to be large families where large members of family lived together. Agriculture used to be the main occupation of the people in these families. And number seven is the urban family. A family, as the name suggests, a family which used to live in urban areas, in cities and towns in ancient times, was known as urban family. And these families were often small families where small numbers of family lived together, and employment, trade, industry used to be their occupation. And in such families, the members of the family had the feeling of individualism to a large extent. Thank you.